Troy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week I am really excited to be shooting a video here in Vegas at the Experience event live. And I have someone here on camera with me, so I'm not by myself. I was able to nab Patrick and he was very kind and willing to ask me a question on camera. So our question this week is going to come from Patrick. Patrick, what did you want to know about?
Well, I wanted to know what is the biggest difference between fire content and mold content?
When it comes to cleaning? Okay. Ooh, that was a good question.
Exactly what I needed.
There is a bit of difference. Definitely, probably I would say one of the biggest differences would be if you're dealing with a mold cleaning job, you're going to have protocols written by a hygienist. If you're dealing with a fire content cleaning job, you might have a hygienist coming in if you're testing because there's questions from an insurance company as far as severity of contamination, but generally we don't ever have a hygienist on. I would say that would be a huge difference. Both types of cleaning are obviously super detailed, super thorough. They both have contaminants that can be unhealthy, so we got to be sure that we go through all the right protocols. Obviously, when you're doing the mold, you're going to be using microban. We don't always use microban on everything when we're doing contents, just some of those items. And then again, when you're dealing with mold, another big difference is we're not dealing with odor usually. Like, you know, mold kind of has, I guess, an odor depending on the level, right? But you're not dealing with that kind of odor you're dealing with fire jobs. So you kind of have an extra challenge, if you will, to me. To me, a mold job is much easier. I know some people would disagree with that, but I do feel a mold job is easier because the added thing we have on that fire job is we're dealing with the odor, which, as we know, can be some of the toughest stuff because it's psychological, aspects that we have to deal with. So yeah, definitely I'd say that's probably the two biggest differences. That was a super good question. I don't think it's ever been asked on Ask Annissa, so that was fantastic.
I'm an original.
Right? All right, and because Patrick was so awesome, I'm going to be sure and give him one of the awesome R&R Restoration Magazine coffee mugs. These aren't just any coffee mugs, they're the really cool ones with the slide lid, dishwasher safe. You'll be happy to know. But I want to thank you very much for taking time to hang out with me. And for you, I want you to be sure and be brave like Patrick. I want you to send in your questions to me. Yes, I'm like mug. He's a good. That's great. Be sure and email me those questions, okay? Annissa@firehouseeducation.com. Oh, and be sure you are a cool kid. Subscribe, rnrmagonline.com. Subscribe to the e-newsletter. You will get me and lots of other goodies every Friday in your email inbox. And on that note, I will see you on next week's video column.